this video from Device Doctor, I'll show you a pro-level filtering technique to solve ink flow problems in your Epson L850. No more clogs or air bubbles, just perfect prints.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, let's run a nozzle check on your printer to identify exactly which colors are affected and how severe the issue is. As you can see, the nozzle test shows that the colors are printing very poorly and with many missing dots. The black color is not printing at all. Now, let's begin the repair. First, turn off the printer and disconnect the power cable. Now, you need to move the printhead to the center. However, since the printhead is locked, you cannot move it directly. To unlock it, rotate the gear on the right side of the printer several times. By turning this gear, the printhead will be released and you will be able to move it freely. Now, carefully remove the top cover of the printhead unit. Now, gently remove the plastic cover that holds the ink tubes in place. Now, gently remove each cartridge or dumper one by one using a flathead screwdriver. Now, you will need a 30 to 50 cc syringe. Now, carefully hold each of the 6 dumpers one by one and use the syringe to filter them until they are completely filled with ink. Now, reconnect the tubes to their original positions. Attach the plastic cover back securely. Be careful not to tear the plastic cover. Gently align it with the grooves and press it into place. It's simple, but requires a bit of attention. Now, you need to draw approximately 5 milliliters of ink from the waste ink tube to ensure the filtering process is fully completed. Now, turn the printer back on and wait for it to fully initialize. Now, after completing the filtering process, you should perform 1 or 2 cleaning cycles on the printer. Now, please wait for the cleaning process to complete. It will take approximately 3 minutes. After the cleaning is complete, the printer will suggest a nozzle check. Now, please run a nozzle test once. As you can see, the printer's issue has been completely resolved. No more missing colors or printing problems. If your printer still isn't working perfectly, try running 1 or 2 more cleaning cycles. And make sure the ink levels in the tanks are not too low. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Device Doctor for more professional fixes. Thank you for watching.